What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, Crypto Warriors and Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. Every informed person needs to know about Bitcoin because it might be one of the world's most important developments. This is from Leon Lowe, two-time Nobel Peace Prize nominee, back on October 23rd, 2013. Stories I'm going to go over tonight is just basically a continuation of my last video where I talk about adoption and a bullish case for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole. Let's get into it. A German financial regulator further clarifies crypto status with new paper. All right, so the German financial watchdog BaFin issued a new summary leaflet detailing how cryptocurrencies are treated under newly enacted laws for 2020. The instructions are presented as BaFin's interpretation of the new German legislator. So I'm just going to go through the highlights here. All right, the instruction clarifies several aspects of crypto regulation that were previously left undefined, as cryptocurrencies were not considered units of account under previous definitions. Businesses dealing with crypto were not considered as financial service providers. But I guess now, under these new regulations, they could be considered that. BaFin thus created a broader definition of a crypto asset, which also clarifies the difference between tokens used for payment and exchange and security tokens. So they're finally starting to get it and understand that the over 5,000 cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap aren't all Bitcoin. And that right there is a big thing, because your average person, if you tell them to go check out CoinMarketCap, they'll come to believe, or they'll think that all cryptocurrencies do the same thing as the number one cryptocurrency. All right, and it's just totally wrong. We all know that, you know, especially if you're in the space, we all know that everything isn't Bitcoin, you know, and every other thing isn't Ethereum. So it's good to see that they're separating them for payments, you know, exchange, and security tokens. The paper noted that security tokens are not considered as securities within German Securities Deposit Act, or within the German Securities Deposit Act. Again, they're not securities. These cryptocurrencies aren't securities, and a lot of them aren't even currencies. So, you know, some of them are utility tokens. So again, I'm glad to see that they're getting it finally. However, if they are transferable and tradable, they are regulated by EU prospectus regulation on the matter. Storage of security tokens is nevertheless a nuanced issue, as businesses not licensed to store generic securities may be able to do so for security tokens under specific circumstances. So again, you don't have to be a JP Morgan or a Robinhood or TD Ameritrade to, you know, quote unquote, store securities or be a broker for securities, because although they're security tokens, they don't fall under the German Securities Act. So the regulator also clarified who is able to store cryptocurrencies, providing a very generic definition that could be applied to most businesses. The paper explains who can obtain the BaFin authorization. Anyone who wants to conduct banking business or provide financial services in Germany on a professional basis, or to an extent that requires a business operation set up in a commercial manner. Being able to, again, participate in this crypto space, I think is a good thing. It's given businesses the opportunity to participate in the crypto space and not worry about having security license and whether or not they're selling unregistered or unregulated securities, you know. So again, good thing. Adoption. Next, game on. South Korean parliament passed landmark crypto bill, and this was as of today or earlier today, and the whole crypto market is pretty much green right now, especially as of this morning when this story dropped, right? So we had the India thing happen a couple of nights ago, where the Supreme Court of India said, no, you got to allow people to buy cryptos. And now we have this coming from South Korea, and a couple of days ago now with the German thing. So all that may be what's causing this mini pump to go on. No one knows for sure, but maybe. In a dramatic turnaround, the South Korean parliament, the National Assembly, has voted in favor of the country's first cryptocurrency specific legislation in the past few hours. All right, so this is updated as of 10:20 UTC. The amended Special Financial Transactions Information Act, mouthful, which was approved by a National Assembly Finance Committee in November last year, will effectively create a framework for the country's cryptocurrency industry. The South Korean cryptocurrency industry has reacted positively to the news. So again, that could be the reason why the pump is happening. So this is coming from Simon Kim, the CEO of blockchain, Seoul-based blockchain incubator Hashed. All right, so he told Crypto News, this is a direct quote from him, there has been great uncertainty regarding regulations in cryptocurrency in South Korea until now. However, with the new law, cryptocurrency has been officially classified as an asset class by the institutions, and virtual asset operators are able to operate under proper law in Korea. I believe this is a strong positive signal for South Korea moving forward and proving itself as the perfect testbed for blockchain and cryptocurrency on the global scene, because everyone wants to be a follower and not a leader. And South Korea is going to the tip of the spear basically and be a leader in this blockchain space and making the rules so that businesses could prosper. The countries that are going to win, 5-10 years from now, are the ones that are welcoming to crypto businesses. They're the countries that will be super prosperous. They're the countries that are going to pretty much win. So when you have the SEC here in the United States that's going after companies for an ICO from 3-4 years ago and closing companies down and things of that nature, legitimate companies, not the scammers, right? Legitimate companies, and balling them up into one category, then it's only going to push these companies away and let them go to places where they're welcomed. Because guess what? A programmer and companies don't have to stay in one physical place anymore. You could just close your laptop, pack it up, and boom, go to another country. Or in some cases, go to another state. So we see here in New York State, where I'm from, where they make it super hard for anyone to get into the crypto space with this stupid bit license. And I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole, but we also have other states like Wyoming where they allow and they foster these crypto businesses and allow them to thrive, okay, while at the same time protecting their citizens. So you could have common sense laws that not only help your citizens, but also invite businesses to do business there. So a lot of business left New York, okay, and went to other states like Wyoming, and a lot of, oh, that's unnecessary. And a lot of businesses left the United States, period. So this way they don't have to deal with the SEC, and they just block United States customers. People are fed up with it. They don't want to pay to play. They just want to do business. And it's a shame that you have to pay to play to get things done here, especially in New York, because, well, it makes sense because New York is the banking headquarters. So, we have Wall Street here. So they'll do anything to keep, to protect their six, so to speak. Let me see. Meanwhile, IT journalist Janet Chow told Crypto News that, and this is a quote, all of the big South Korean companies involved in blockchain have been championing this amendment, and now they've got exactly what they wanted. The ball's now in their court. How they and other companies that have possibly been keeping their cryptocurrency plans secret react in the next few weeks and months will be very telling indeed. So we're going to see a lot of Korean cryptos pump, i.e. Icon, okay? And so we're going to see, a lot of those crypto companies and cryptocurrencies pump because of this new law right now. Let me know what you guys think. Let's discuss it in the comment section below. Do you think that this is a great news going forward, or do you think it's a honeypot where they're going to say, yeah, start these businesses up, and then all of a sudden change your mind, at a moment's notice, and shut these businesses down. Who knows? But I don't think so. We see that in India, they're doing the right thing. We see Germany is starting to do the right thing. As a matter of fact, in Germany, if you purchase cryptos and you hold it for 366 days, 1 year and 1 day, you don't have to pay any capital gains tax. Portugal, you don't have to pay any capital gains tax on cryptocurrencies either. And then now we have this crypto law in South Korea. People don't have to stay in their countries anymore. If they're able to, they could get up and move and go anywhere in the world. I mean, not right now because of coronavirus and everything, but you get the point. But let's discuss in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Smash the likes. Hit that subscribe button, share, all that good stuff. It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.